you be my girlfriend?
All right, so today we're gonna do something I've always wanted to do as a kid. Skip work and go to the beach. I never lived close to a beach. We're about 2 hours away, which isn't that bad. The kids, they're already gonna be in daycare, so I told my wife, like, let's just call off work and go to the beach. Everything else about this morning is gonna be completely the same though. 2 egg whites, 1 whole egg, lots of spinach, 3 scoops of coffee, a little bit of butter. We're ready to go.
I have no snare in my headphones.
Sing so tell your man I die and tell him you're long gone. This one from North Carolina.
Yeah? Do they say your name in this song?
No, but they said my friend Amy's name.
So Amy would be like, ah! All right. We got bikes. We're ready to rock. Smell the ocean.
No, look at this. What are we gonna tell our kids?
All done. Say goodbye.
Look, let's get an ice cream cone. Look at this thing. I'm so full right now.
I gotta set the wall.
You want some?
I said kids, right?
No, you said small. That's small. This is a kid.
Oh.